morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday, the day after Taco Tuesday. And the Taco Tuesday here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen was very successful. I prepared cilantro lime shrimp tacos. Most excellent, super easy, but my God, is it full of flavor. The cilantro and the lime, and just the little bits of, oh, it was, yeah, definitely try this one. All right, today I'm combining two American comfort foods: sloppy joes and grilled cheese. So basically, a sloppy joe grilled cheese. Let's get to it. Hardware's pretty simple. Electric griddle for actually preparing the sandwiches. Small fry pan for the sloppy joes. I'm primarily using my recipe for the sloppy joes. Ground beef. This is about 8 ounces. Kosher salt, black pepper, onion, garlic, Heinz tomato ketchup, Lee and Perrins Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of brown sugar for sweetness, ground mustard, cumin powder, smoked paprika, morita, chipotle, chili powder, and I'm going to add, this is something new for my sloppy joes, some Szechuan chili flakes. Yeah, good old American cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. You could use cheddar, American, Swiss, whatever your heart's content. Gruyere, yeah. I like the mayonnaise method for the bread. I personally feel they brown faster, and it adds a little more zing. And I'll be using brioche bread for my bread. So here's the goodies for tonight's double comfort food combo. Yeah. So, on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.